Hello everyone, welcome to Monkeyfish channel. I am in China again, and right now I am on a Meihua poles training place. And normally I don't like this kind of videos, but I think this is a unique chance to show you how this kind of training looks like. I am not so good with this training because my knee is bad. Long story short, I have screws in my knee. I had a reconstruction, and just not long ago I get an injury, so my balance and strength on my right leg is pretty sucky. But I will try to show you how the exercises looks like, and if I cannot perform them, I will just tell you how it is. Here we have a really small poles for warm-up or for the beginners. Behind me we have a little bit taller ones, and over there we have a big crazy high poles. You can see this kind of poles in the kung fu movies. They train on them, fight on them and do crazy stuff. But I will just show you some basic exercises what you can do. So for the beginners or as a warm-up, you can use two lines of the poles. So we just go hop, 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 something like this. But later you have to use only one line. So you go hop, 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 hop. The tricky part is that those poles are not stable. They're moving a lot, so this makes this exercise much more difficult. And normally you have to go all the way around 2 times with each exercise. So the next exercise is that you have to jump cross road. So you do like something like this, like you hop, like this, like this, like this. I am not the best with this one because I am a little bit afraid of my leg, because, you know, as I told you, it's not really super stable right now. But it is something like this that you, when you stand on the poles, you have to just do like hop, hop, and then you go second way. And of course we have to go 2 times all this area, and then we're going to stand for a few minutes on those poles. First we stand on the toes for around 2 minutes, maybe 3, and then you have to stand on your heels. This is much more difficult actually, and just stand like this for 2 to 3 minutes, or when Shifu say stop. And then we go again for the toes for another 2 minutes, and again for the heels. We did like a 2 times heels, 2 times toes, something like this. This was a warm-up. And after that we have to train our Meihua stances. In this part we have to use 3 poles, that one is between, and then we have to get our poses and hold like this for around 1.5 minutes. It's really painful for the feet for the beginning, but after it's pretty nice. And after that we change side. So here we have the second pose, and also you have to hold like this for around 1.5 minutes. And this is another pose. I have to keep like this for another 1.5 minutes. The pose should be the easiest one, but it's not, because you have to stand on one leg, something like this, for 1.5 minutes. And finally we have the last pose, something like this. You have to keep this position for 1.5 minutes, like all of them, and then change the size. So those 5 stances are from Meihua Chuan. You can say it a plum blossom fist. And I know that not so many people actually train or even know about this style, but this is one of the oldest Chinese styles. People say that this is an older sister of Shaolin. Each position help different organ in your body. So this is something what you can do to be more healthy. This is it. I have nothing more to say. And some of you maybe have noticed that the daytime changed a bit and my skin get more red. But today is Friday and we had evaluation day, and this means that we have to show it what we learn in the week. And yeah, this is why I need to take a break from recording and go to do my evaluation. And it was really sunny, so I get some sunburn on my forehead. Now I come back to finish the video. This is why the daytime changed. And yeah, this is it. I hope that you enjoyed this kind of content. So thank you for watching. See you next time.